Well, let's go.
She's one of the best. It's hard for me to admit that a woman can drive as good as a man, but she's really an outstanding teamster. It's good to see her.
My name is Alan Avery. I'm the Rio Linda tractor show director. I'm not in charge of everything, but engines and tractors. We've been having this show here for several years. The announcer for the tractor parade and also another item will be Leroy Dede here. He is the president of Branch 13 of the Early Day Gas Engine and Tractor Association. We have approximately 300 members, dues-paying members here in the Sacramento area. So we're a fairly large club, very active, a lot of events. So here's Leroy Dede, president of Branch 13.
Thank you, Alan. It's our new show director. Before we get started on the tractors, I would like to introduce you to Miss Rio Linda. Samantha. She's a lot better looking than the tractors anyway. So this is our Miss Rio Linda. Thank you very much. Samantha, you want to speak anything? Say anything?
I just wanted to say thanks for everybody to come out here. I'm having a great time. I don't know about, is everybody having a great time? Yeah. All right. I'm Miss Rio Linda. As you guys heard, this is Rio Linda's 100th year. This is why I'm Miss Rio Linda. This is the centennial. And in October, we're actually having a centennial celebration. So I'll be out throughout the whole year at all different events if any of you guys want to come. And I'll probably be at any one. So I just wanted to say thanks for coming. I'm glad to be here. I'm sure you guys are glad to be here. Have a great day.
They're a lot of fun when you first get started on them. Yeah. So now we're painted yellow.
This AI was rebuilt by Ralph Kerr, right behind me. Came down from Central Point, Oregon. And the other difference between an industrial and a farm tractor, besides the color, was this one has a foot throttle. And it's got the throttle up here like a regular tractor, but it's also got a foot throttle.
Thank you. Yeah, a lot of times you'll see a tractor like this and you'll think it's painted the wrong color, but no, it's painted the right. There he's going. That's called a hot rod. I don't know much about this one because I think this was a little bit before my time too, so I'm going to let the owner tell you about this one.
What we have here today is a 1917 Avery Model 816 gas kerosene tractor. Manufactured in Peoria, Illinois. It develops 16 horsepower at the belt, 8 horsepower at the drawbar. Gas kerosene meant that you started it on gasoline. Oh, just died. You would start it on gasoline. It was much more expensive in the day to burn than kerosene and switch over to kerosene when the motor heated up. This tractor was originally used in Arbuckle, California, where it spent most of its life working on a farm until it was rescued out of a barn in 1978.
Okay, thank you very much. Are you going to have any trouble getting it started, or? No. Now we're going to see how he starts this one, because this is going to be the interesting part there. I knew he wanted to give you a demonstration on how to start it. See, he had a hand on the flywheel on the other side. Very good. He's going to try to get it running a little bit better. So, like I said, this is a very modern piece of equipment. But can you imagine working the fields all day in something like this? You don't have a cab on it. You're out in the elements. I mean, whether it's cold, you're out in the cold. When it's hot and 100 degrees, you're out in the heat. It took real men, in my thinking, to operate a piece of equipment like this.
Yeah. Change rock.
Okay, we got
Well, that's good.